Here's the situation. As you've seen, I own a Mopar now, and now I gotta begin the process of like cannibalizing other Mopars to make mine work and not leak. So we have Kevin's parts car here, and I guess the game plan is to try to cut some window trim, sheet metal from around the window, so that we could use it to possibly scab in to where any of mine might be really messed up.
Yeah, for the 4-inch grader.
As you can see, he's already really got a lot of stuff out of this thing already. He's going to be using a lot of this for his car. This is a 4-door satellite. Kevin has a 2-door satellite.
Grip handle.
Joe's making a makeshift like
windshield removal tool
because that's what he does. Ooh. That looks safe and also effective.
I wouldn't go quite.
And by safe, I mean totally not safe.
Or, yeah, completely honest.
Yay! Double glasses.
I like the Harbor Freight brush stuck in there.
Oh yeah, that's
Clipping away here. Those spooky clips you're gonna get. Cool.
Oh, it's all your ass.
let's go straight up, huh?
OSHA approved work boots.
Yeah, work boots. Look at those fucking white work boots, man.
I got my
fucking steel toe and everything.
Don't, it hurts.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like there's going to be a lot of work ahead of me. Taking this out isn't a big deal, but it's if we have to piece these in, that's going to be probably the issue.
Just wait until I figure out the monetary value of the parts you're removing.
Yeah, I am now like forever indebted to Kevin. More so, I suppose.
You gotta save these super special headliner hooks.
Oh God. All the stuff I'm learning.
The easiest way to get these hooks out is cut the roof off and then you can take them out at your leisure.
What did I do? Oh man. It's a Mopar.